This outstanding 18th century country house is for sale. Located in North Yorkshire, England. It offers 7 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Kirk Hamerton Hall is an exceptional Grade 2 listed country house, offering approximately 1,100 square meters of beautifully restored living space, set within 9.5 acres of landscaped gardens and parkland in the heart of North Yorkshire. Dating from the mid-18th century, the house blends elegant period architecture with luxurious modern finishes. It features magnificent reception rooms, a Clive Christian kitchen, formal dining room, study, cinema, gym, spa with sauna and steam room, extensive wine cellar, 6 spacious bedrooms, 3 luxurious bathrooms, and a self-contained 1-bedroom apartment ideal for guests or staff. The landscaped grounds include formal gardens, a Japanese-inspired garden, a putting green, a stunning swimming lake with a sandy beach and jetty, mature parkland, and a 4-car garage with workshop, creating an outstanding private country estate. The asking price of this outstanding 18th century country house is £4,950,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.